fairness. That's why we are complaining. Because if it is going to be free and fair nomination, by now we could have known who is going to stand in for this election. But until to date, we have 4 days. We don't know who is going to stand for this nomination. But that's why I'm sending messages. If you are trying to steal our votes, try it somewhere else, not Kasipul. Or else, we are going to refuse, we are going to deny, and we are going to tell you the party does not belong to you, but to the people of this constituency. They want to interfere with this nomination. I'm here telling them for free that is the past ODM, that is not this ODM. This ODM that we are in today, we must have free and fair nominations, and we must elect somebody who has been elected by the people, not by one person. We all want this position for those who are in this competition. Let us have the chance, let the people decide. Don't decide in your house and don't decide in a room that you are going to do something. I am telling you without fear that the ODM that we are in today is different with the ODM that you think.
We also want to know where the tallying center is. We also want to know who the returning officer is. All the aspirants must be involved and must be kept updated with clean and genuine and truthful information. Up to now, all our aspirants except one is having information of who the POs are, who the clerks are, where the turning center is, and you know, we cannot accept that. This is not free and fair and you know, credible and verifiable nomination. It is not free. We talk about democracy, and the democracy that we talk about at the national level must be seen at the constituency level too. And should anything happen that the will of the people will be twisted in the interest of one candidate that we already know, for the purpose of the leader or the leaders of the county that are having self-interest in our constituency, ODM be prepared to lose. Because Kasipul are seeing you. We have nominations on Wednesday, but we still have election in a period of just 2 months. Should you do a shambolic nomination, we will not give ODM. The people of Kasipul will reject whoever you nominate.
We are hearing about people going around with a list of POs. We, as the stakeholders in Kasipul, we strongly condemn such list, and we are going to speak to the commission. Should need be, we are going to even petition the commission so that our voices are heard. The by-election that we are going to take, we are going to make sure that it is as peaceful as we are going to be able to make it. And then we want to also